Welcome to Enthusiast Autohaus and our 1992 Mercedes-Benz 300 CE. It has 196,000 miles on it. It's a clean Indiana title, clean CarFax with no accidents or damage reported. This corner is clean. There is some of your typical rust here, unfortunately. Looks good down the sides. Tires are relatively new. The wheels were recently refinished. It has a new factory exhaust. It's been well maintained. The interior shows some more wear. The dash is clean. The headliner's nice. The center stack has some of your typical veneer peeling. The driver's seat has some splits, and then the outer bolster there. Rear seats are nice overall. There is wear on the steering wheel, hence the cover. There's the current mileage, about to tick over to 196,800. It runs and drives nicely. It does need a few of those detail things to be proper. But overall, it's a nice daily driver 300 CE.